So this new beta update brought a lot of good features and details we didn't even notice. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I will show all of the small details and features, and before we do so, make sure to like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Let's go. On the new Audi RS2, there's hood you can use to badge the car. And on 350Z, there's another new spoiler. Another new details is that Hellcat and GT-RR35 have a new sounds. Another new features is that players now have more FOV in first person. Most of players didn't realize this, but F40 have two interiors, one with analog meter, and another with digital gauge and different door panel. Next features is that on semi-trucks and buses have more travel than before. You can now badge the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and Dom, and also the Kenworth truck. If you use coach bus, there's new bus route in the canyon. And if you go to this area, you'll notice there are road lead nowhere and also some fences. And last but not least, here's some of the vehicle that have new interior. What's your thoughts about all these features? Comment down below. Subscribe and like, and see you guys in next video. Stay cool.